In this illustration, once again we discuss the charge flown through a switch in a capacitive circuit. Here you can see the figure shows a capacitive circuit and we are going to find the charge flown through the switch as an upward direction when it is closed. So here also we calculate the initial charge on these plates of the capacitors before closing the switch and then after closing the switch and take the difference to find the required result. Here we can see initially as 2 microfarad and 8 microfarad, the top capacitors are in series. This implies total charge on plates X and Y is 0. If we take this plate as X, this plate as Y, then sum of these two charges will be 0 because these two capacitors are in series. So they'll carry equal charges. So total charge on plate X and Y must always be equal to 0 if they are in series. Now, if we close the switch, we can write after closing S, once it is closed, in the circuit to find out the charges on these two plates, we can use nodal analysis, and here we can consider the potential at this point to be 0 and this point it will be 40 volt, and on the other side say here we take potential to be X, then potential at this terminal will be X plus 20. Now in this situation, if we write down the equation for X, this will give us the value of charges on these 2 and 8 microfarad capacitors. So we can write after closing S equation for X. We can write down the sum of these 2 and these 2 plates to be 0. So charge on this plate will be 8X plus on this plate will be 2 multiplied by X minus 40 plus on this plate will be 4 multiplied by X plus 20 minus 40, that will be X minus 20, plus on this plate is 2 multiplied by X plus 20 minus 0, so this is X plus 20 and this should be equal to 0. So here in this situation, this 2 gets cancelled out, this will be 2, this will be 4. If we simplify, this will be 4X plus X 5X. Plus 2x will be 7x plus it is 8x is equals to rest of the numerical values we can calculate. This will be minus 40 and minus 40 is minus 80 plus 20 is minus 60. So this will be 60. So the value of x we are getting is 60 by 8. That is 7.5 volt. That is the value of potential X. So now we can calculate the charges on 2 microfarad and 8 microfarad capacitors on their plates X and Y. So we can find out the charge on plate X. This will be 2 multiplied by 0 minus X minus 20. So this will be minus 7.5 minus 20. So here I am getting the value of charge on plate X is equals to, this is 2 multiplied by minus 27.5, this is minus 55 microcoulomb, and charge on plate Y can be given as 8 multiplied by 0 minus X is 7.5. So this 8 multiplied by 7.5 is minus 60 microcoulomb. And here we can see the total charge which is flown in upward direction from the switch is the sum of the final charges on plates X and Y. This will be Qx plus Qy in final state. So this is minus of 115 microcoulomb. That is the answer to this problem.